Welcome to episode 4 of Why Woulda Wednesday, where we show you things that we put on our cruise packing list that would make others say,
Why would ya? Howdy, y'all.
why would you bring that? On today's episode, we're bringing you something straight from our kitchen. That's right, we're bringing a bottle, wait, not the whole bottle, just a little bit of something from a bottle in our kitchen. You might be wondering why, but stay tuned because we got a very good reason why you should bring this on your next cruise.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Hey, welcome back to Why Woulda Wednesday. For those of you who are new around here, my name is Mitch from the KAM Fam. Welcome in, where every Wednesday we bring you an item that's on the KAM Fam's permanent packing list. And some of you might be saying, why would you bring that? So we're going to show you why we bring things. Like I said, today's item comes straight from our kitchen. All right, guys, take a look at this. This is today's item. You know what this is? It's Dawn dish soap in a smaller bottle in a Ziploc bag. Now, some of you might be saying, why would you bring that? Good question. Here's why the KAM Fam brings this. If you remember in the last episode, we showed you we bring tumblers on our cruise. Now, I don't know about y'all, but you put some lemonade or tea in this thing, and then you want some water, that taste is going to linger. That's where the Dawn dish soap helps you out. We don't need a whole lot of it. We just need a little bit. Clean it out in the sink, get all that flavor out, or whatever drink you may have had in your cup. It helps out. But guys, this is an item we bring with us all the time. Do we use it all the time? No. But we have it with us. All right, so you saw our Why Woulda Wednesday item, dish soap. So now we want to hear from you in the comments. Let us know. Do you bring dish soap? Are you now thinking about bringing dish soap? Or are you in the why would you bring that crew?
Why would ya?
So hey, let us know, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Every Wednesday, 12:34 Central Standard Time, we have a new item on Why Woulda Wednesdays. So if you haven't already, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see y'all next week. Bye, guys.
Why would ya Wednesday?